How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can debug code in PyCharm. So it's going to be extremely simple because PyCharm has advanced features that enables developers and coders to debug their code easily. So if I run this code right here, obviously it will not run because it will say that it has a or it has a error somewhere. So to debug this, right now it's saying that on line 7 we have this specific error right here. So it's going to be this one. You could just erase W in order to fix the problem. But they also have the debugging feature, which is going to be this specific button right here. You can also click or press Shift F9 to go ahead and debug the actual preset right here. So it will say that exception class name error name print W. So now that it has spotted the actual error right here, you can just navigate through that specific line and of course fix the bug from there. And if you click on the rerun problem or rerun button, it will say that right now it has 0 errors. So if we click on the play button, here we have it. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.